In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for expense QuickBooks. By the end, you'll feel confident using the pay bills workflow so your vendor balances and bank accounts stay accurate and tidy. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online company. From the main dashboard, open the pay bills screen. To do that, select the plus new button at the top left. In the panel that opens, look under the vendors section and choose pay bills. This takes you to a list of all unpaid bills you've already entered in QuickBooks, so you're recording the payment against those existing bills rather than creating a brand new expense. Before selecting any bills, choose the bank account you'll be paying from. This is important because it determines which register the payment will hit. If you have multiple checking or credit accounts, take a second to confirm you're using the correct one to keep your reconciliation smooth later. Now select the bill or bills you want to pay by checking the box next to each one. You can pay a single bill or multiple at once, and QuickBooks will total them for you at the bottom. If the list is long, use the filters or search to quickly find the right vendor or due date. Double check the amount due for each bill so you don't overpay or miss anything. Next, enter your payment details. Set the payment date to the day you actually intend the funds to leave your account. This date affects your cash balance and your vendor's open balance, so accuracy matters. Choose a payment method that reflects how you're paying: check, cash, ACH, or another method you use. Picking the right method helps with reporting and future matching in bank feeds. If you have a reference number, like a check number, or a transfer confirmation, add it in the reference field so you can easily trace the payment later. You can also include a brief memo if that helps you or your team understand the context of the payment. When everything looks correct, save your work. Click Save and Close if you're done, or choose Save and Print if you're printing a check right now. If you do print, make sure your check stock is loaded correctly and that the check number matches what you entered. After saving, the bill's status will update to paid. You can verify this by returning to your vendor list or the bills page, where the bill will no longer appear in the unpaid section. That's it. Your payment is recorded, your vendor balance is updated, and your books reflect the transaction accurately.